Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is January the 25th, 2020, and I wanted to give an update on how the potatoes that we have growing in the greenhouse are doing. Now, we have added soil to these multiple times because they're growing so well, and we did lose one to dampening off disease, but it hasn't appeared to have spread, which is a good thing, and I've been watching it. I just wanted to show you these here. Now we do actually have some sweet potatoes that are coming up in here, and apparently they planted themselves in here. I'm not sure if I'm going to let them go or not. Sweet potatoes are like aphid magnets. They love sweet potatoes. So not 100% sure what I'm going to do with them yet. I might let them go, I might not. I had some issues with the other ones that I have growing in my greenhouse where I had to treat them with neem oil because of the aphids that got on them. So I just wanted to give you this quick video update. Now these are going to get fed. They get fed with Sea Magic, and I'll put links down in the description for these plant foods. They get fed with Sea Magic, they get fed with Eco Scraps 555 all-purpose plant food, a little bit of bone meal, and a little bit of Epsom salt. And we kind of sprinkle it on top, mix it in with the soil some, and then water it in really good. And you can see there's more actually still coming up here. Now these are on the heated floor. We are considering moving them back to the non-heated floor part of the greenhouse where it's just the pipe that runs along the perimeter to keep it warm. But we haven't gotten to do that yet. We're still debating if we want to move them or not. But I just wanted to give you this quick video update. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. It'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.